all night long. Yeah, we dance with our razor tongues and all day long. Yeah, we reset under burdens.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a different thing, a DIY. If you want to know how to make such a beautiful balloon garland, watch to the end. I'm gonna take you through a step-by-step way of doing or making such a beautiful garland for your loved one for any type of event. Use your balloons creatively and you'll thank me later. So guys, these are a bunch of 5-inch and 12-inch balloons that have been inflated and tied into clusters of 2 and 3s.
Catching the waves, inhale, exhale, reminiscing the bygone time. Laughter we cry, days flying by, flying by. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah.
As you can see guys, putting together all the clusters of balloons, all the colors into a garland stripe, using the white balloons as my base color because I had a lot of white balloons. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna repeat this process until I get the length that I need.
No love on a holiday. 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 All night long. We're running too fast on fumes and all day long. Yeah. Lying around with our favorite tune. Slumber away, inhale, exhale. Dreaming about summer nights with you. Sweeter escape, dream wide awake, yeah. Away. Love on delay, push play. Let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday.
This is a fishing line. I'm gonna use a fishing line to secure my garland on the wall, on the hooks that I'm going to actually attach on the wall. So yeah, let's do it.
Push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for the day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. Yeah, no love on a holiday. Yeah, no love on a holiday. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday.
So guys, at this point the garland is up. You have to step back and look at what you're doing. You have to like your work before somebody else is like it. This is just the first step. We have to adjust and readjust it. We have to add more balloons and all that. So yeah, stay tuned.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look.
Hi guys, it's the next day of making the balloon garland. I had to go to work, and so I left the garland hanging so that I can like do last touches, final touches today, because it is today that Rue is coming here. I came back and this is what I found. Like, yo, the garland is literally down on the floor. Like, the garland was hanging up there. Now it's literally on the floor, and I'm just like, see my life. Yo, look at that lady up there. Is that me? That's not me, eh? That's cute. Hey, subscribe, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me a lot when you subscribe, and it's for free. So kindly subscribe. So this is what we have so far, guys. Looking pretty. So I'm here to start another stripe.
Back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever. 'Cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo. So tonight we just let go. To the beat and treat every freak out.
Guys, this is home stretch. Rue is about to get here, and my garland is already looking beautiful, but we're gonna add the last touch, which are the confetti balloons. Yeah, so what I need is this is like a cloth and the confettis. So I'm gonna show you how to do the confettis. Add it to the garland. The garland is already looking lit, guys. Look at the garland behind me. It's already lit, but we're just about to put those little touches that would make it go from 9 to 20 out of 10. So let's do this.
Sing like, party like, freaking out to the beat. Yeah,
So you see these little things? I want them to stick on the balloon. So first of all, make the balloon round. That's why I'm doing this. Don't press it too hard, it will pop. Okay, once we do that, we're gonna tie the balloon. Once we tie it, let's do this. Stuck. So the idea is to use static energy to stick them all around. I didn't want them to stick in one place and they're stuck in one place. I'll try losing some so that it's all over. See that? There you go, guys. All stuck. So that's one done.
freak out, sing like, party like, freaking out to the beat. Yeah, we freak out, sing like. Where's the fun in doing what you're told? But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. So call me whenever. 'Cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo. So tonight we just let go. To the beat and treat every freak out. Singing like, party like, freaking out to the beat. Yeah, we freak out. Singing like, party like, freaking out to the beat. Yeah, we freak out. Singing like, so baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright when we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la 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 la.
Guys, I can't believe I did it. Yay. I'm super excited for you to come see this. It has taken me forever, but this is my garland. Anyway, is the very last final touch before we now say it is finished completely. Is this is an LED, portable LED light. I think I showed you when I was telling you the things that I'm gonna use. It's an LED light. It uses batteries, so I'm just going to put it beneath the garland to just like pop. Yeah, for the garland to pop and look cute. Press on it, goes off, press on it, turns on. So we're gonna put it beneath the garland, guys, beneath the garland. This is optional. The garland is already looking cute and beautiful as it is, so this is just optional, just to make it look a little bit brighter, but you don't have to do this. If you like it, subscribe it, share it, give me a shout, guys, if you want me to do you a garland of any form, sort, any event. Give me a shout. I'm available. I can do different designs. So if you have a birthday, if you have a gender reveal, if you have any event, photo shoot, just give me a shout. I'll be there. The birthday girl loved it so much. I don't have her permission to post her videos and her pictures, but trust me, she loved it. Kindly subscribe, kindly share. If you want me to do more of such videos, let me know in the comment section. Bye guys, and thanks for watching.